The Greenfield community is in shock after the owner of Greenfield Granite dies just hours before she was scheduled to appear in small claims court. Amy Stroll died by suicide Tuesday morning inside of her Greenfield business. And as a matter of station policy, we do not report on suicides. However, we are in this case for several reasons. WRTV Investigates has been looking into multiple consumer complaints about Stroll and her headstone business. Also, police have been conducting a criminal investigation into the company's business practices. WRTV Investigates Kara Kenny was in Greenfield and explains why Stroll's death is leaving customers with new questions.
Greenfield Granite has been a fixture in the Hancock County community for more than a century, but Tuesday it was surrounded with yellow tape. Police responded to the headstone shop just after 9:30 in the morning and found the owner, Amy Stroll, dead at the age of 50. She died by suicide, according to the coroner. Stroll was scheduled to appear just hours later in Hancock County Small Claims Court at 1:30 to answer questions about her business practices.
God bless her family, and I'm sorry they have to go through this. Very sorry. You know, it's very sad.
Bessie Williams filed a small claims lawsuit against Stroll, saying she paid $2,800 for her husband's headstone last fall, but never got it.
And I tried to work with her. You know, I tried so hard to work with her. And every time I got an excuse.
Not sure what to do, Williams showed up for the court hearing Tuesday. The judge set it for another date in October.
I want to get my husband a headstone, you know? This is not fair. No, it's not. It's not fair to anybody.
Last month, WRTV Investigates brought you the stories of half a dozen grieving families wanting headstones or refunds from Greenfield Granite. The company is also under criminal investigation. Greenfield Police is looking into complaints that customers paid for services that were partially finished or never completed. The Hancock County prosecutor says the case is still active. They're working to help customers like Sheila Carson, who paid for her mom's headstone last August. Sheila says she spoke to Amy Stroll on Friday, and Stroll assured her her mom's headstone would be set this week.
I hope we'll be able to somehow, once the investigation's done, get it released and get it set on our own somehow.
Sheila and other customers say they never expected this outcome.
I truly feel sorry for her that she had to end it like this.
Stroll told WRTV on the phone last month that her business had been impacted by the pandemic and that she was working on getting refunds to customers. Stroll created a GoFundMe to try to raise money for Greenfield Granite.
I thought her business may go out of business, but I know she was working to resolve things with people.
Grieving families are shocked and saddened by Stroll's death and also concerned questions about their own loved ones' headstones may never be answered. Working for you, Kara Kenny, WRTV.
Well, we reached out to an attorney for Stroll, and we are still waiting to hear back. Greenfield Police just released this statement late this afternoon, quote, "The investigation into Greenfield Granite cases will continue, and we received approximately 12 new cases just today since the news of the death investigation. We are working with the Attorney General's office and will conduct a thorough investigation into these cases. We are asking anyone who feels they have been victimized by the business to contact the Greenfield Police Department to file a report," end quote.